So now we will now proceed to our next example. Vector A is equal to negative 5i plus 3j minus 6k, and vector B is equal to 2i minus 2j plus 3k. Find the scalar dot product of the two vectors A and B and the cosine theta. So again, the value of our to find our scalar dot product, the formula of the two vectors. So A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3. So A1, negative 5 times 2 plus 3 times negative 2 plus negative 6 times 3. So the value of the scalar dot product of our vector A and B is equal to negative 34. So A dot B is equal to negative 34. And we'll now find the cosine theta. So from the formula, vector A and the vector B is equal to the magnitude of the two vectors cosine theta. So let's first find the magnitude of our two vectors. So from A, the square root of negative 5 squared plus 3 squared plus negative 6 squared. The square root of negative 5 squared plus 3 squared plus negative 6 squared is equal to square root of 17. And for the magnitude of our vector B, so the square root of 2 squared plus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared is equal to the square root of 17. So the value of our magnitude A is 70 and the value of our magnitude B is 17. So let's proceed to the value of our cos theta. So negative 34 is equal to the square root of 70 times the square root of 17 cosine theta. Therefore, the value of our cosine theta is equal to negative 34 all over square root of 70 square root of 17 is equal to negative 0.986. But if we will find the value of our theta, hindi na natin ilalagay yung ating negative sign. Kasi kung ilalagay natin yung ating negative sign, the arc cosine of negative, any value of negative, is mag-umat error. So, pag kukuha ng theta between the two vectors, i-disregard lang natin yung ating negative sign. So the theta is equal to the arc cosine of 0.986 is equal to 9.599 degrees.